Hello, I'm Rhonda Buttery, and I'm here for Cosmic Apps to show you how to edit the Pro reports in AstroGold Mac OS. You've probably discovered by now that there's two new ProReport writers available and that many of the reports are able to be edited. The only ones that can't be edited are those where the author has not granted permission for them to be edited. So let's get started. You'll find the Pro Reports button here between Maps and Preferences. So if we'll just click on that to get started, and any licenses that you have purchased will have a tick in the status column beside licensed. I'm going to start with the big three because I've already adjusted birth and child to play with it and see how it goes, and I found it quite fun. Once you click on the report you wish to edit, click on the settings cog at the bottom, and if your report can be edited, the report compiler will be available. If it's not available, if it's grayed out, that means you can't edit that report. So let's click on the report, and at the title of source text, you'll find three dots which indicates menu. So there we can click and make some more choices. Now this one I haven't played with yet, so download for editing is still available. When I click that, the report will download, and there we have the report text. And this is where you can go to edit. Once you download it, if you click on this icon button, you get the option to show in Finder, which will show you where the report is saved in your system in Finder. And you also get the option to edit the report. But since it's already opened, we can go straight away. It's important you don't remove some of these characters in the text because they are instruction to the report, and if they're removed, the report will not run properly. So you will see the asterisk and the arrow and various other little symbols that aren't part of the words. To edit the text, simply highlight, add your cursor, start typing, or select some text that you want using the Shift key and type away with "This is my change." Whoops, get it right, Rhonda. This is my change. And after you've made any alterations you want, simply save the report, which is Command S. Now it's being saved, and now the report is saved. When you've finished, click Compile, and that will now be the report that is used when you generate that particular Pro report. If you've changed your mind and you decided that you don't want to use that, but you want to revert to the native text, just click Revert, and your system will revert back to the text as it was before you started. And it tells you if you proceed, any report text will be edited, will remain in place, but the report will now be generated from its original source text. So I'm going to click Revert because what I typed was rubbish. Now it's reverted back to safe as it was. However, the report has still downloaded and I am still able to edit from that downloaded source. The system will not overwrite files that you have adjusted. They will remain in your system so that you can revert to any of them as you want, and revert will take you back to the original source text. I hope you have fun with this. It's a whole new area that's available to you from our ProReport writers. Remember, you'll always find your user guide under the little I in the menu bar. You will find more instruction videos on your software at bit.ly/astrotech videos, where you'll find the short recordings are arranged in playlists depending on the software device and also by language. We have some foreign languages there as well. You can get more information at astrogold.io. And if you need to purchase AstroGold Mac or more ProReport writers, you will find that on that website, the coupon code ASTROTECH15 will give you a discount at the checkout, but it must be redeemed at point of purchase. Thank you for being with me today and enjoy your software.